Video we'll take a look at the term stroke and distance in golf. Stroke and distance is when a player hits the ball out of bounds, loses the ball, or fails to find it within the search time. The penalty is a stroke and distance. You add one stroke penalty and you must replay the shot from the original spot. In simple terms, you lose both the stroke, and the process of the shot you just hit. The rule dates back to early Scotland, and we'll talk a little bit more about that history now. It was really standardized in the 19th century when golf became spread through Scotland, and courses depended on the defined out-of-bounds areas, property lines, roads, or walls. Golf courses began to insist enforcement, and the idea became clear: one penalty stroke and replay the shot from the original position. This discouraged wild shots and tight holes. In 1897, the Royal Ancient Golf Club of St. Andrews formalized many of the rules. Stroke and distance became the official penalty play for lost balls and out-of-balance balls. This is pretty much the breakdown, and we've seen it even into modern day. With local rules, we see a drop area at the point of entry to keep pace of play a little bit faster. Hopefully this brings you one step closer to understanding the term stroke and distance in golf and why it's still enforced by USGA. It's a harsh but fair rule and tests both the golfer and course management. It encouraged safer shots off the tee and strategical layup shots when playing some of these courses. Did you know what this term was? Sometimes I don't think I did until recently. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding terms like stroke and distance, getting out there, and more importantly, playing a little bit of golf. Don't be too hard on yourself out there on these golf courses. Make sure you get out there, play, and more importantly, understand stroke and distance exists because early golf demands honesty and accuracy. Lost balls were truly lost, and distance gained unfairly was never allowed. Hopefully this brings you one step closer to understanding the term stroke and distance. Let's get out there and play a little bit of golf here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun and affordable golf in your area. That's it for this list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here with the Professor.